So I'm answering natural fertility questions today, and the question I have is, when and how should I use castor oil packs when I'm preparing for IVF or IUI? So it's going to be the same either way, and I'll also talk about a frozen embryo transfer as well. So castor oil packs are awesome to use in preparation. They are great for uterine health. They help to increase circulation to the uterus, reduce inflammation. This is one of the main protocols that I teach about when it comes to helping to improve implantation and preparing the uterus for the best possible chances of implantation. Wound care castor oil packs are the ones that I suggest. You can find those in our shop at naturalfertilityshop.com. That is organic, packaged in glass, uses organic essential oils as well, which are fantastic, a fantastic blend for the uterus. Okay, question also included, I'm preparing for my transfer next month. How should I use castor oil packs to prepare? When do I need to stop using these packs? So I'm going to break it down for IVF, IUI. So for retrieval, and I'm going to break it down for a transfer. So it's going to be slightly different. So when it comes to preparing for IVF or IUI, there's going to be a certain point that you're going to start some type of injectables, most likely. And a lot of times those injectables are going to be in your tummy. When it comes to wound care castor oil packs, I would not suggest placing them over the abdomen once you have begun injectables. Another factor of it is a lot of times, especially if you are increasing your follicle count with IVF and IUI, it can start to feel very heavy and tender in the lower abdomen because there are so many follicles. And I would not want to increase circulation at that point. So I would do them up until the point you start injectables. Now, with all of this said, please always talk with your doctor, let them know what you're doing so they can suggest to you if there's a more specific time they would like you to stop, then obviously listen to their advice. The next factor is I also ideally would want for the best results for someone to prepare for at least 3 months ahead of time. So if you're going in for transfer next week, at that point, it's really just looking at nutrition and learning or finding ways of reducing stress for that whole process. I prefer and suggest at least 3 months preparation time ahead of time because that gives you plenty of time to prepare. You're not stressing. You're not going to be trying to overlap with fertility medications, which I never suggest to do. You do all of these natural therapies ahead of time in preparation. So if you have 3 months ahead of time, you're going to want to check out and download my checklist. I have an entire checklist that is an egg health checklist that is perfect for preparing for IVF and IUI. It goes over not only egg health, but also uterine health and helping to support implantation. I'll put a link for that below. So 3 months ahead of time is ideal. Now, if you're transferring a frozen embryo, so you've already gone through retrieval, you're just preparing for transfer, you're going to definitely want to be doing castor oil packs and other steps you can take for supporting implantation. I have a bunch of other videos and articles on specific steps for that, but wound care castor oil packs is one of those major steps. So you would want to do that in preparation for the first 2 weeks, and then when they're going to time what would be ovulation and transfer, you would want to stop. Again, talk with your doctor. If you're doing injectables on the lower abdomen, you wouldn't want to put castor oil on an injectable site just to be safe with all of that. So that's when you would want to do it. There's other natural therapies that you might want to include with this as well. Utericalm being one of them. This is fantastic for the 2-week wait. Helps to calm the uterus, helps to make a supportive environment for implantation. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, you can put them below in the comments or you can contact us at my website at naturalfertilityshop.com. And good luck. I'll talk to you again soon in the next video.